Children, today we are going to learn about geographical features of India. Our country, India, extends far and wide. At its north lie the Himalayas, to the east the Bay of Bengal, to the west the Arabian Sea, and to the south the Indian Ocean. Except for the islands of Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, the rest of the country is contiguous. Means in the size our India large, and here we have various types of cultures and traditions also. Okay, for India, north side Himalayas and east Bay of Bengal here, and west side Arabian Sea and south Indian Ocean. Here middle of Bay of Bengal we can see the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In the middle of Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep. So except Andaman Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep, the rest of the country has very close relationship with other countries because all these islands are in between the sea. We have to take into account this region henceforth referred to as ancient India. When we study the ancient history of India before 1947, today's Pakistan and Bangladesh were also a part of India. Means presently we are calling this is an ancient India. This region before 1947, Pakistan and Bangladesh, which are separated after 1947, those also part of India only. Okay, now we are going to see the trade routes of Indian history. Here they mentioned six course of Indian history, means trade routes are there. We are going to see the trade routes. First, Himalayas. The Hindu Kush and Himalaya ranges have created an impenetrable wall on the northern side of the Indian subcontinent. This wall has separated the Indian subcontinent from the deserts of Central Asia. However, there is a land route through the Khyber and Bolan passes in the Hindu Kush mountains. This route was connected to an ancient trade route. The trade route from China passed through Central Asia and reached Arabia. Himalayas and Hindu Kush ranges are separating north side of Indian subcontinent from Central Asia. But there is a route through the Khyber and Bolan in the Hindu Kush mountains. Here they mentioned Khyber and Bolan. This is a trade route, means which route is used for business, that is called trade route. This is called as Silk Route or Silk Road also, which is passed through Central Asia and reaches Arabia. From this road, many foreign traders enter into ancient India. Here they mentioned Silk Route and Silk Road because silk was the main commodity exported to the western countries using this road. The route through the passes was used by many foreign vendors. Invaders means traders. Traders means business. Okay, trading means business. Invaders to enter ancient India. Many foreign travelers also come to India by this route only. The plains of the Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputra. This region consists of the basins of the three big rivers Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. This region extends from Sindh, Punjab in the west to the present day Bangladesh in the east. It was in this region that the earliest Indian civilization of Harappa and the later states and empires of ancient India emerged. Means which rivers have their boundaries with that limitations, they expanded from Sindh, Punjab in the west to the present day Bangladesh in the east. In this region, Indian civilization of Harappan and other empires exposed here only. After that, the Thar Desert. The Thar Desert spreads across Rajasthan, Haryana, and some parts of Gujarat. A part of the desert lies in today's Pakistan. The desert has the Satluj River to its north, the Aravalli mountain range to its east, the Rann of Kutch to its south, and the Indus means Sindhu River to its west. In this map, we can see the Rann of Kutch, and here the Thar Desert. Here it is Pakistan. This is Thar Desert, and here Aravalli Mountains. So, the third desert spread across Rajasthan, Haryana, and some parts of Gujarat. Nowadays, Pakistan. Here also the Thar Desert spread. Okay, Aravalli Mountains range to its east. For this one, the east side Aravalli Mountains are there, and Rann of Kutch. This is a salt desert. It is called just like salt marsh also. Kutch is a district of Gujarat. There we can see the great Rann of Kutch, which is full of salt marsh, means biggest salt desert. In summer the temperature will reach 50 degrees plus, and in winter it will reach 0 also. Okay, also they conduct some Kutch festivals in this place, that is in between October and March. So this is the Thar Desert. The Gagar river that originates in Himachal Pradesh reaches the Thar Desert, means the name of a river Gagar, its birth in the Himachal Pradesh. Originates means that starts from there, from Himachal Pradesh, and reaches the Thar Desert. It is known as Hakra in Pakistan. This river known as here Ghagra, and there here Ghagar, and there in the Pakistan Hakra. Its course in Rajasthan and Pakistan has now dried up, but in this nowadays there is no that river, it was dried up. Many sites of Harappan civilization are situated along the now dry course of the river. Means we also know that the civilizations are developed in the bank of rivers. So here in that bank of river Hakra, here the Harappan civilization situated.